This is funny. Drama's attacking the damn water. Look. Look. He's really attacking the water. Oh, look. You gonna get it? What are you doing, Gooby? What are you doing, Gooby? What, you getting it? You gonna get it? This is gonna be fun in the middle of summer. What are you doing? Look, Drama, get it, Drama, get it. Get it. Apparently he does not like the water hitting the ground. That is just too funny. That is just too fucking funny. I know he's gonna jump on me once I'm done. I know. What, you having fun? Get it. Get it. What are you doing, silly boy? I suck at recording while I'm doing this, but it is funny as hell.